Where are we, Mish? Where?
We're at Micronesia Mall. We go see Macy's. The Kai for the men. Runway walk.
What? Oh. What are you modeling? Purses? Look! Larisha! She looks like a Joey. She's protecting the little one.
Wait.
She feels trapped.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, this is boring. Oh my gosh! I bought one! Okay, bye-bye. Lay! Hey! Later.
Right now we're headed to Macy's.
Later.
To your right, there's
Later.